how to join meeting without signing in on Zoom Workplace. So if you want to join a meeting, but at the same time you don't want to sign into your account, that's very simple. You go ahead and first launch the Zoom app, as you could see over here. You can create an account and sign into your account if you want to, but you're trying to join a meeting. So right on the home page, you can see the option called Join Meeting. You tap on it. Whether it's a meeting or an event, you can select that right here. If it's an event, you enter the email address you used to register and join the event. But if it's a meeting, you enter the meeting ID. You can give it a name. You can join with a personal link or name. You can also turn off don't connect to audio or turn off my video if you don't want to show your face or camera right away. And then you can tap on the join button right here to be able to join a meeting on Zoom Workplace without basically going ahead and then logging in. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.